All right, friends. So an effort to kind of like push myself or force myself to start this project, I just kind of like started, you know. I have to do it now, obviously. But I kind of went ahead just so I can kind of plan out, I guess, what I'm doing. I'll let you see what I'm talking about. As you can see, there's a smiley man. And I'm not talking about myself. So yeah, he's a smiley guy. I'm gonna outline him with a marker, just so you can kind of see him a little bit better. He's on this random wall that I painted on a different video in this channel. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so I figured we could cover it with some more stuff. But basically this smiley man guy here, right? I wanted to do paint pouring on my wall, because I tried doing that in my old house. It was a fail. I'll leave the video link down below. I thought you could do it with a cup. You cannot. But we have successfully done a lot of other paint pouring videos that I'll leave linked down below. We did my table, we did my television, all the stuff, all the things. And today we're gonna officially do my wall. Now, class. For this, I thought we could do something I've never done, and I'll kind of explain in depth how we're gonna do it. But we're gonna do a rainbow pour, where the colors are separated. That's not like traditional paint pouring. So I figured over here, you guys, on this part of the wall, we could do the traditional paint pouring or relayer it in a cup. But in effort to get it on the wall, I think you can use this, maybe, and we'll like, you know, kind of like funnel it onto the wall, and it'll drip down, and it's gonna be amazing, you guys, and so beautiful. And then we can paint other stuff in here. Basically, I'm in a rush, you know. I want to try to like make a big mural all over the wall, because my boyfriend wants to paint this room, and I understand, because it's like kind of ratchet. But like, you guys, I could do it better, so let's get to painting. Actually, I'm gonna fill this in really quick, and then I think I'll show you what I've done, and then I'm gonna show you guys, I guess, like we'll make some contraptions together, because we gotta make a device to pour in all the paint onto the funnel. You'll see. You'll see. I'll be right back. All right, besties. Now that our little smiley friend is all nice and complete, I gave him a couple little fangs, because I have fangs. It also says subscribe, because if you're not already what are you doing with your life? Yeah, if you're not what are you doing with your life? Okay? But yes, our smile friend is complete. Before I proceed any further, I thought I would get the tedious part out of the way. I don't have a tarp, so I'm gonna cut up with my good hair cutting scissors. I'm a hot mess. I'm gonna cut up these trash bags, and I'm gonna like tape them to the wall and my floor for preventative measures. Hopefully maybe I'll try not to use too much paint, but you guys, this video is my priority, so we gotta do what we gotta do. I kind of forgot to mention that our little smiley friend is supposed to look like this, kind of. This reference photo here. That's like the Snapchat puking filter. So when I express that there'll be like rainbows and stuff, that's what it's gonna be. So in order to like, we're gonna have to use this dustpan to funnel it onto the wall. But in order to get it into the rainbow color, I'm gonna have to dump it in there as a rainbow color. So we're gonna use this box, right? Because it's a good dumping size for this container thing. You know what I'm saying? So I have 6 colors, you guys, in order to make our little rainbow moment, which means we're gonna need 6 chambers So I made these various little strippies. I'm gonna insert them into the box in order to make 6 different chambers. I'm gonna give it a good airtight seal with hot glue. Hopefully this works. Hopefully I don't burn myself. And yeah, so we're gonna put all of our colors in there and we're just gonna like, go for it. And we're all gonna be amazed at the drippage that you're about to see. And then after that, we'll do another paint pour. That's normal. Here's what it looks like with the 6 chambers in the box. I kind of got it how I want it. So now I'm gonna get my hot glue gun ready. I should have did this one at a time for maximum effectiveness, but you guys know me. I don't have the patience for that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think it's ready. Come on, baby, give me the glue. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna like kind of drip it down in there. Oh yeah, we're gonna drip it in all the nooks and crannies. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, it's so gluey. It's like a glue lover's paradise. Oh my god, I can't do this with them all in here at the same time. Ooh, that was effective. Ooh. Ooh. Look, friends, a dangler. Thankfully, I had a whole pack of glue sticks because I used the entire thing. See, I didn't want to take the time to do them one by one, but the perfectionist inside of me wanted to make sure all the nooks and crannies were sealed for your viewing pleasure. Okay, I want to pleasure you with my rainbow in the form of your viewing experience, okay? So yeah, I think we did a good job. Also, I'm gonna flip you around, friends. Oh, wait, actually, real quick. Look at it! I gave him little rainbow freckles. Oh my god, they're so cute! Ah! I should do a rainbow freckle tutorial. It'll be so fun and trendy, guys. Would you watch it? Okay, I'm gonna turn you around in just a second. But I already got all of our paints mixed up. I'm so prepared. So since the paint is gonna be coming out of his mouth hole, I designed a one-of-a-kind, unique contraption. I call it the Paint Catcher 5000, okay? Okay, the paint's gonna drip down the wall. This is for like professional paint pourers, you guys, because it'll drip down the wall and then it'll go in here. But then where's it gonna go? See, it has elevated surfaces. I mean, this is elevated, so it'll just like flow in, like so in. And then if I need to, I can let it dry and then throw it away. Yay! Yeah, basically, I'm gonna patent that for professional paint pourers such as myself, so be on the lookout, friends. Just because I'm not so sure how secure this little contraption is, or if it's even gonna work at all, with my pre-mixed cups, which are, by the way, just paint. They're just paint, you guys, mixed with a little bit of our paint pouring medium. You guys know we use this for all of our paint pouring needs. Normally you would put in some silicone oil for nice bubbly wobbly, nice beautiful cell action. But we're not going for that right now. We'll do that later. Right now we're going for a rainbow. So we don't need that right now, okay? So yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing. But real quick, what we're gonna do is just fill these up really quick immediately, you guys, because there will be, oh my god, no time to waste. We're gonna go like this. Yes, you see what I'm saying? And then you'll be back here a little bit, and then we can just watch it, and you can smash the like button and share it with a friend. We'll give them a little mixy, and now it's time to load them up. One by one. We got our pink, which is kind of like our red color. Oh my god, it's already seeping through at the bottom. We have to go so quick. Oh my god, and I still have to set up my camera red, orange, yellow. Oh my gosh, we're doing this not so good. I wish I had an upward angle because it's very mixy. I feel like if I would show you though, it would make it worse. Ah! I'm so crazy. Oh my gosh. Hopefully this doesn't get all over everything. So far, I feel like we're doing fine. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm so crazy. What am I doing? Oh my god, there's no time. How's my hair? I don't have any! Oh my god, for your viewing pleasure, you guys. Oh, I just have to go for it. There's no time. They're so mixy. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I don't even know how to do this. I should have done my research. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh, that was a very poppy sound. Oh my god, I love it though. Oh my god. Is this art? Do I... What do you think, guys? Oh my god. Oh no. Kinda fitting with the glitchy theme. I don't really know what's going on. Is this art? Oh my gosh. Like, what have we done? Did I block everything? Look, you guys, it's so drippy. Oh my god, I love a good drip. I hope it dries like that. Like, I hope it doesn't make its way all the way down. I feel like I didn't get too much paint on my floor, but it kind of blends in. There's literally like cigarette burns and weird stuff, so I think I can get that off. I think my paint catcher 5, whatever number it was, did a good job. I'll have to make another one for when we do our next little paint pour. Oh my gosh, you guys. It looks like he has a mustache. I want to kiss it. Should I give him a smoochy woochie? Do you want to? You can't, because it's mine. So just like before, I made another cute little fun paint spillage station. So it will catch our drip. This time around, I only have 5 colors because I used all of the yellow painting that thing. But that's okay. We got 5 colors. Along with the paint, I used up the rest of my pouring medium, along with the rest of my cell medium. So I will, in fact, have to buy more. It's starting to bubble up already. It's starting to separate, actually. So we're gonna hurry up and transfer all the colors into this one little cuppy wuppy. So we're all ready for our big dump. I love that for us. Ooh, it looks like mud. We're gonna try and do this very quickly because the paint that we have in our main dumping cup is starting to mix together. So yeah, you guys, we're just gonna kind of get right to it. I think this is gonna look really cool, and then when we're done, we can hit it with the heat gun. Oh my god, hopefully it all goes in the thing. Oh no. Oh no. So far so good. Oh gosh. Oh wowzers. Oh nibbly. Sweet niblets. How did we do? I think it looks kind of ugly, but maybe we could turn it into like a fun little tree. We could put things on the various branches. We could get artsy fartsy with it, but for now it's ugly. Thank God the other project turned out so well because I don't know about this one, guys. Ooh, it is getting bubbly though. That is for sure. That must be the silicone oil. A brewing. Bubbly wobbly. Oh, it's dripping, guys. Look at how drippy. Oh my god. I'll definitely include a picture of when it's fully dry, but it still looks kind of poopy. I'm happy this one turned out so well, you guys. I'm literally obsessed with it. This was definitely the highlight of the show. Oh my god, it's breathtaking. I just want to take a bath in it, like the rainbow. I want to stand in the rainbow puke. Other than that, I hope you guys managed to have fun right along with me. Honestly, this was a blast, and I love doing artsy-fartsy projects, so this was really motivating for me to kind of just keep going with it. I really want to start, along with so many other things, in my daily life. I want to implement art every day, whether it be 10 minutes of drawing or a little doodle on the wall or something. But definitely making art videos is a passion of mine, and I want to keep doing that too. So anything you want to see, art related, or honestly anything, because we do it all on this channel, definitely let me know down below. I'm open to all your recommendations, and we're just gonna keep doing fun stuff, guys. I can't stop looking at it. He's so cool. I love you guys so much. I hope you are well. I had so much fun today. I can't wait to see you super soon. Goodbye, friends. All right, besties. Now that everything is dry, I'm back with an update. This one looks kind of poopy. I'll let you get a little close up. I'll probably end up painting something in its place. But this little smiley boy right here, I love him. He's so happy and so fun, and he's so drippy, and he's so dry. But yeah, definitely let me know what I should put on the wall next. I want to cover it up like a big old collage. I think it'll bring me a lot of joy and happiness, and possibly some bomb-ass Instagram selfies. But yeah, I love this guy. This is kind of whatever, kind of poopy. I just wanted to give you guys an update, but let me know what we should do next. Let me know what other fun projects you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much for being here, and yeah, bye.